I oma, I whai pā, I ngana hoki a Aotearoa ki te riro I te tūranga toa whakaihu waka. Heoi ki hai rātou e kuru popo I te tīma no Ahitereiria.
Ko tangi te nākau, e āhua moke moke, te āhua nei. Ai, he wheo ko tino miharo, heoi, e harai te pai anō hoki. We did make history this weekend, but it doesn't sort of soften the blow anymore.
No te wīkene kua pahure I kōkiri te tōnamana Trans Tasman touch ki ngā puna wai. Ko te kapa touch blacks me te kapa Australian emus tērā I tuki rai ki te rai, kia riro I te taitara nui o te Trans Tasman. I te wāhanga tuatahi o te kemu whakamutunga, I tata ōrite ngā piro.
Being static in the middle. That's why I'm in the commentary box and they're out on the field because McIntyre...
Ko Sean Wilkie no whutupōro I whangaia te pōro kia George Burgess kia whai piro tuatahi ma Aotearoa.
Wilkie in at half, feeds Burgess. Durban Burgess on the dive.
Heoi, I hoki kaha mai a Zara Nicholas kia whai piro ma te kapa Ahitereiria.
Oh, it's a beautiful pass.
Just trying to match their intensity. It's been a common theme for many years now, but I think we did foot it with them. We just didn't ice our opportunities. And so at the end of the day, there was no difference in skill set, there was no difference in preparation.
Ko te wāhanga tuarua I kitea I a Aotearoa e ngā nāna ki te whai piro.
Rolliston again on a little wee Georgie play on the in.
Engari, I whai hua ko te kapa Ahitereiria me te whai piro. He kitinga uaua tērā ma tēnei uri o Ngāti Porou, o Ngāti Koro ki Kahukura, a kauri taute, e noho wharana ki te taha.
It was pretty hard just not to run out there, but different role for me and I'd always support my team. I think this campaign for the Aussies, the team was a bit different. They're not normally as loud and there's a bit of banter. There's always banter on the field, but this year there was just a completely different energy. They do have quite a different team from their last couple campaigns, and I guess, you know, that worked in their favour.
I whawhai a Aotearoa kia riro I a rātou piro. Heoi, ki hai rātou I te tuki I te wāhanga whakamutunga.
We're going to take a whole lot of learnings out of this. The heartbreak will ease a wee bit. There's always scars that stay, but I couldn't be prouder of the group we've got here and the effort they put in and their adaptability. And they certainly had some challenges thrown at them through injuries and bits and pieces during games that they just adjusted to and covered.
Day two they came back raring to go, and unfortunately we weren't able to tame the beast there. We did everything that we could. Unfortunately Australia was too good today, and ka tika me mihi ki a rātou. We took one test there, and I think next time round it'll be a different result.
Ko te wā whakatā ma ēnei kapa I nā ēnei, heoi ka tuki anō ēnei tīma hei te rātou ki Ahitereiria. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo.